All right, we need to get you set up with a code editor. Now the code editor that we're going to be utilizing for this entire course is going to be called Visual Studio Code. It's a free download. Many companies utilize this software, and it's really a good idea for you to start learning, start experiencing this, so that way when you do get a job, the learning curve's a lot less when you go and actually get your very first job. All right, so let's go ahead, dive into the website that we need to go to. You'll see a link down below this video providing you with where this is at, but it's code.visualstudio.com/download at the time of this video. It can be used on Linux, Windows, as well as a Mac. And you're just going to go ahead and click on the download button respectively and go ahead and get that installed. Like I said, we're going to be adding extensions to our Visual Studio Code in another video. So once you do have that downloaded and installed, go ahead and take a look at the next video to make sure that we have all the extensions that you would need to put into your IDE. All right, we'll see you in the next video.